The Tesla coil is an electrical resonant transformer circuit invented by Nikola Tesla around 1891. It is used to produce high voltage, low current, high frequency alternating current electricity. Here's a brief overview of its working principle. Primary circuit. The Tesla coil consists of two electrically coupled resonant electric circuits, the primary and secondary circuits. The primary circuit is connected to a power source, typically an alternating current AC, power supply, transformer action. The primary circuit includes a capacitor and a primary coil, inductor. When the capacitor is charged, it stores electrical energy. The primary coil is also in series with a spark gap and a primary capacitor. As the capacitor charges, the voltage across the spark gap increases until it breaks down and conducts, allowing the capacitor to discharge through the primary coil. Resonance. The primary coil and the capacitor form a tuned circuit, which means they are adjusted to resonate at a specific frequency. When the spark gap breaks down, the capacitor discharges through the primary coil, creating an oscillating current in the primary circuit at the resonant frequency. Magnetic field induction. The oscillating current in the primary coil creates a varying magnetic field around the coil. This varying magnetic field induces a corresponding alternating current in the secondary coil through electromagnetic induction. Voltage step up. The secondary coil has many more turns than the primary coil, so the voltage induced in the secondary coil is much higher than the input voltage. This step up in voltage is due to the ratio of the number of turns in the primary and secondary coils. High voltage output. The high voltage, high-frequency alternating current produced in the secondary coil creates a corona discharge at the top of the coil terminal, producing the characteristic lightning-like streamers or arcs. Uses. Tesla coils are used in entertainment.